Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. As a homeopath, we grow each and every day, means emotionally, mentally also, because we see so many cases in our day to day life. They are suffering from so many problems, means emotionally also. We know each and every problem is related to some emotional aspects, lack of love, lack of respect, or maybe pain, deep pains, and the love failures and loss of money, family issues. So many suffering. Each and every person is suffering from some issues. That is why when a homeopath practices homeopathy, maybe for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, he turns into a well matured person because he understands what pain actually is. Because we listen to the patients, we know actually what is actually pain. Why I'm talking all these things today, because I'm talking all these things because I'm talking about some medicine which is very essential medicine in our day-to-day practice, emotional medicine or love medicine, Aramur natronatrum. This is one of the very, very, very important medicines for a female. If you don't know about this medicine, you are going to miss so many beautiful cases. So many cases can be solved with this medicine if you understand this medicine. And I'm going to talk about those topics, those indications only which I implemented in my practice, which really give you the substantious results. I also want to talk about the emotional aspects of the Aram or natronatrum. You all know that about Aram mentality, Aram mental pictures, which I discussed in my previous session. Now I want to talk about the Aramur and the Aramur natronatrum. I will talk about the Aramur in next lecture. Now I want to talk about the Aramur natronatrum. This is specifically for fibroids, are big fibroids, enlarged uterus, retroverted uterus, whole pelvis filled with the uterus. This is the main theme of this medicine. Because of this enlarged uterus, patient get a repeated abortion. There is no room, no space to grow because of this heavy tumor, heavy fibroid. And this uterus gives a lot of pressure. And because of that, patient may develop a jaundice also, or maybe cirrhosis of a liver in a later stages, kidney issues, urinary issues, constipation, and the piles because of that pressure. Patient will come and she will give you the all information like I have a fibroids, I have a jaundice, I have a urinary problems, I have kidney issues, I have headaches, I have gastrointestinal issues. Why these are all issues coming? You should not get confused at this point of time. You need to concentrate. Where is the actual the thing? The actual thing is this enlarged uterus, or maybe heavy uterus, and because of this heaviness patient feel lot of a dragging down sensation right from the chest, so heaviness. So that is the actual thing which is, and this is good medicine for the ovaries also, indurated ovaries, hardness, uh, enlarged ovaries, vitiligoria, amenorrhea. So why all these symptoms developed? Aram are very respectable, very admirable, very matured kind of ladies. What happens when these ritual ladies fall in love with uh, someone? And I want to tell you something. These Aramurs are the very romantic people. They get attract. They have a deep sexual passion, but this sexual attraction is limited to the one person, and they are so much of attached to them sexually. Nymphomania, lot of a sexual passion. Aramur are not a kind of a people of the Natramur. Natramur are more love toward more emotional dependence, but Aramur, they develop sexual attachment or sexual thoughts, sexuality with a single partner, one partner. They don't change the person or the partners, and they are committed. And what happens when these type of girls disappoint in their love, and that disappointment not just because of that boy, that may be so many reasons which is disturbing their personal life, maybe the money issues, maybe uh, the progress issues, or maybe their status issues, or maybe the dominations which hurting her a lot. Means uh, she is a very matured, and she wants some discipline, decency in everything. If that partner is not obeying that, she either can't leave that person, or at the same time she develops some kind of induration, indifference in the relationship. I already explained what kind of RM mentality are there. These type of what are the reasons where RM get disappointed. Cheatings, or maybe anything which is not going correct disturbs this kind of a people. So this kind of a disturbances in a female, I mean, she changes a lot. This sexual passion turns into lack of interest in the sex. This love and the romantic relationship turns into the total indifference, lack of interest to talk, and lot of anxiety about the health, anxiety about the future, anxiety about the life, and later it turns into the total disappointment. Later, suicidal thoughts, jumping from the windows, which are the regular, I mean, generalized thoughts, suicidal thoughts, which we see in RM patients. That all these type of symptoms develops. Initial issue is when premature menses, you may see in the initial parts of the RM or natronatrum, but later it turns into the amenorrhea with the leukorrhea, with this fibroids, with this uterus issues, with this liver issues, with this gastrointestinal issues, with this headaches just because of this gastric issues. So just how the patient is deteriorating day by day, emotionally and the physically also. This is you need to observe in RM or natronatron patients. And one more important symptom is gouty symptoms and the bone pains, nighttime deep bone pains. You see in this medicine also, cold air aggravation, um, and the deep bone pains, along with this uterus issues. Think of this medicine. I want to tell you, my friends, whenever the patient comes with the multiple issues, liver involved, heart involved, or uterus involved, gastrointestinal, go in depth and understand what is the main organ involved in it, which is reason for the other systems disturbances. Give specifically medicine on that problem and that system, then automatically everything will settle. So I use this medicine in a 3x potency, and I ask the patient to repeat it often. I want to tell you one interesting case. One patient, one lady, one girl, 25 years old girl, came to me for bedwetting. Bedwetting. She just told me that 25 years girl, she passes urine without her knowledge. So this is more very embarrassing situation for her. Just imagine a newly married girl. She's doing all kind of things. How she feels. It is very difficult for her to express these symptoms to me also. She did not give much information regarding this because she is already feeling embarrassed, and I already told you this. RM people they are not one who come and say everything to you, and they even feel like an insult to tell their stories, sad stories also. This type of ego, or they just don't want to tell everything. And she told me about this, and I prescribed some kind of a medicine, but it did not work. After a few weeks or something, she told me I have some other issue also. I asked her so many questions at the time of case taking, but she did not give any information at that point of time. Sometimes they don't give information, patients, at very first consultation. You need to be very patient. First medicine may not work all time. unless the patient is a lycosis or the arsenic amalgam. Okay, so this girl told me that, ma'am, I have a fibroid. Doctors asking me to get it operated because it is very big inside. Maybe because of that, I'm feeling that this heaviness in my urinary bladder, and I'm passing this. She told me this. This is a hint. This is a hint. I just gone through her reports. It is a very big tumor, very big fibroid, the neck of the breast. And I prescribed this medicine, Aramor Natrum, 3x potency daily 2 times. Within a 2 months, a fibroid size reduced to half, and her urinary issues also settled. You may get confused this medicine with the phosphorus type of anxiety and the emotions. Love, I prescribed for phosphorus to her because I confused because when we go into the case in depth, you can see this orange type of heaviness, heavy issues in her life. Always, Aramat may not look like Aramor may not look like Aramat type of a like that Amitabh Bachchan and the Tika and all. Inside, underneath, they have that Aram issues, but superficially they look very. They are very romantic people. They look like a phosphorus, and they have very passionate people. They love romance, but with a 1% content. And all the issues develop if there is a problem with that person or with that relationship. That is the aurum. So that is the reason you may get confused this medicine with the phosphorus. So much of anxiety. Aurum people have the very anxious people. I'll talk about the anxiety of Aurum in my next lecture. So this is how I use Aurum Natrum Natrum. I'm not making any stories, anything, because the knowledge and the it is very specific to some areas like bone pains, along with this specifically on the uterus and the ovaries, indurations, pain and dragging down sensation. Since they feel like from just ऊपर से नीचे खींच रहा है उतना जैसा उतना ज़्यादा, because the heaviness and the patient develop piles because of the retrovated uterus, and the whole pelvis is filled with the uterus. So that is because of the pressure. Patient feel constipation and the piles also, and the urinary issues also, and because of that they develop cirrhosis of a liver or jaundice, all these kind of issue. Should not concentrate on all these areas. You need to concentrate on the main part. Of course, usually if the condition is so worse, only few cases you see in that type of liver cirrhosis and all, but mostly you see our fibroids, big fibroids, and you can see the indurations of the testis, indurations of male reproductive organs also, but very rare. I use this medicine mostly for the female